Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in three currency pairs: USD JPY, British Pound JPY, Euro JPY. In all these currency pairs, we'll start the analysis from weekly time frame, then go down to daily time frame, then finally do the technical analysis in hourly time frame and mark the trading ranges for Monday. If you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities and clarify queries on trading ideas. You can use the link placed in the description for joining our Telegram group. Let us start with the analysis. I am in weekly time frame in USD JPY currency pairs. So we already know that USD JPY currency pair was on a downtrend. Again, it started consolidating within this range over here and it gave a breakout. Presently, it is in a uptrend. And when we see the current price action, it is finding a resistance over here. But in overall, when we see the price action, it is in a uptrend and trying to break this resistance, which is around 114.143. So as long as this price remains above this support line, we can say that it is in a uptrend from the weekly time frame view. We can also expect a little bit of retracement and again start its uptrend. Still this currency pair is in a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. In daily time frame also, when you notice it, this was the resistance line from the weekly time frame. It has clearly broke this resistance line and was moving in a channel pattern. And within the channel pattern also, you can understand that it was in a very nice uptrend. It went up, retraced. Again, I'm expecting it to go up and test this resistance level and continue its uptrend. When we look at the present price action, you can notice that this line, resistance line, was acting as a resistance, and this point it broke this resistance line and went up and tested this resistance area, and when it retraced also, it took support on this resistance line and now it is acting as a support line, and again it has started its uptrend and trying to break this resistance line. So when it retraces also, we can expect it to take support on this support line and again try to go on a uptrend. So this is acting as a very strong support for the present price action. From this support line, we can clearly understand that the current price action is in a uptrend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I'm in hourly time frame now. We have the dynamic support from the daily time frame and also this another support line from the daily time frame, and present price action is moving in a channel pattern. This green color line is a resistance line of the channel pattern from daily time frame, and this is a support line from the daily time frame channel pattern, and present price action is moving within this area over here and slowly it is progressing on the upside. You can notice that it is going on the upside. So I'm expecting it to go up and test this resistance level over here. Even when it falls down, it has to break this support line. Next we have one more support line, then only it can come down and test this bottommost support line from the channel pattern. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. This is going to be the bottommost support. Next level of support is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be here, and present resistance is also over here, and next resistance is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be at the topmost level of this resistance level, green color resistance level. I am expecting a range bound market or a bullish trend to start. Let us do the analysis in British Pound JPY. I am in weekly time frame of British Pound JPY currency pairs. When we look at the current price action, I have drawn the support line. It is on a uptrend, and here also from here it started its uptrend and it is continuing on its uptrend now. It has taken support over here and the uptrend is still strong. So when we see how far it can go on the uptrend, we already know this. This was the maximum level it has gone. So I've drawn a resistance area also based on this previous resistance level. So I'm expecting the current price action to go up to this level and test this resistance over here and a trend reversal to happen. As long as the price action doesn't break this support level, we can expect the uptrend to continue and test this resistance level, which is around 161.712. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now, and presently this level is acting as a support now, and current price action is in a uptrend. As long as this support line from the weekly time frame doesn't get bridged, we can expect the uptrend to continue and test this resistance level, and I'm expecting this resistance level to act as a strong resistance and a trend reversal to happen from this point. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame and mark the trading ranges for Monday. I'm in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, previously when we noticed the price action, it was moving in a channel pattern, then it gave a breakout here, then it started its uptrend. Currently also when we notice the price action, it is moving in a channel pattern. I'm expecting it to take support over here, again start its uptrend and form another channel pattern over here. We can also notice that current price action has taken support over here. Wait for it to break this channel pattern and start its uptrend. Then you can go on a bullish side if you want to have a trade on these currency pairs. Let us mark the trading ranges for Monday. This is going to be the resistance. Next level of resistance is going to be here. Next level of resistance is going to be here. And next level of resistance is going to be here. If it breaks this dynamic support from the weekly time frame, we can expect it to trend on the bearish side. Downside supports are going to be at this point. Next support is going to be at this level over here. So these are all the ranges for Monday. Depending on the direction the currency pairs are moving, decide your entry and exit for the trade. Let us do the analysis in Euro JPY. I'm in weekly time frame of Euro JPY currency pairs. When we look at the previous price action, it moved up, then it retraced up to this level. It has found support on this level, which is around 95, and from here it has started its consolidation. It is under consolidation till now. And when we look at the character of these price actions, it forms triple tops every time it wants to make a big move. A consolidation sort of thing happens, and then it starts its directional movement. Then here also we can notice triple top has been formed. Then a directional movement is happening, and I'm expecting current price action also to follow the same trend. So first top has been formed, second top has been formed, and I'm expecting one more top to be formed, then a directional movement to happen and take a support over here for now. Because when we look at the overall price action, this was the highest point it went. From here, it has not crossed this highest level. The second highest level was this, and next time when it retraced only up to this level, and this time it has retraced only up to this level. Every time when it is retracing, the level of retracement is being reduced. I have drawn a diagonal support and resistance line. This was acting as a support over here. Presently, it is acting as a resistance line, and current price action did not manage to break this resistance level. So I am not expecting any more uptrend to continue. I am expecting a retracement to this level. When we draw the support and resistance level, this is going to be the resistance level, and when we look at the previous price action, this has been acting as a very strong support and resistance level previously also. So currently also it is preventing the price from going up. But since it is forming a triple top pattern, I am expecting the current price action to consolidate within this range for some time before it starts its downside movements. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. Here also we can notice that presently the price action is moving in a channel pattern. Every time it is retracing, the upper limit is being reduced and downside retracement is being increased. So it is preparing to actually start its downside trend. But if it breaks this support level, we can expect the downside movement at any time also. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame and mark the ranges for Monday. So this is going to be the topmost resistance. Next level of resistance is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be here, and next resistance is going to be here. This is going to be the next resistance, and this is going to be the next level of resistance or support, and this is going to be the next level of support. I am expecting a downtrend to start. Before that, we can expect a consolidation also to happen. So if it is going to consolidate, these are all going to be the ranges for Monday. Or if the downtrend starts, we can expect a further fall and test this level over here. So mark these ranges in your chart, and based on the price action, decide your entry and exit. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.